Welcome back. So in this video here we're going to look at the headset here and compare it to the DMKR headset. Alright, let's get this out of the box-ish bag thing. Come on, get out, get out. Refuses to come out of the box. Just doesn't want to. Okay, here it goes. So this is the same cable as we had before. It plugs in there, and it is always hard to plug these things in. And then you have two of these funny looking antennas, 5.8 gigahertz that mount on here. Now when you compare that to the other one that I have for the Mantis 85, put that over there, they look like they're exactly the same thing. I mean, same size, same kind of material.
Likey.